Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Hi Mona Ning! Happy birthday! Wishing you all the best. Enjoy your life. And see you soon. We miss you.
Hello, Ate Mona. Happy birthday. Nagulat ka siguro na may paganto tayo. Yun nga, gusto ko na rin kunin yung pagkakataon na to na mag-thank you sa'yo kasi despite na konti lang yung panahon na nagkakilala tayo, super welcoming mo sa akin. Lagi mo ko napapatawa. And sa mga pagtatrabaho, super nagagamit ko pa yung mga advice mo. Napakahirap! Hindi ko alam kung paano mo ito nakaya. Pero yun nga, I will be always happy for you. Kahit saan ka mapunta, lagi ka mag-iingat. Yung health mo din, stay pretty always. Abangers ako sa mga post mo. Mag-iingat ka lagi dyan. Stay healthy. God bless.
Hi, Mona! Happy birthday! Stay healthy and be happy always. God help! God bless Mon, God bless! Enjoy! Happy birthday, Mama Mona! Ingat ka po palagi! Enjoy! Good health po!
Hi, Ate Mona! Happy birthday! We miss you! Good health! Stay happy! And more! Nice! Ate, happy birthday! Enjoy! More candles blow. Hanap ka na dyan ng asawa. We miss you! Panipuri! Bye-bye!
Hi Mama Mona! Happy birthday! I wish you for your good health, for your new journey. We miss you. We love you.
Hello, Mona! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Ilang taon ka na? Debut mo na naman ngayon. Anong ganap? More blessings and long life for you. Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Mona, happy birthday po. Stay healthy and look young po. Enjoy your rito. Pagdating mo na, miss you po. Bye.
Ate Mona, happy birthday! I miss you. Ingat ka dyan palagi. Stay well. Okay, bye-bye. Happy birthday ulit.
Hi Muning! Miss you Muning!
Muning.
Miss you to! Una-una lang yun Muning! Happy birthday!
Grabe ka naman mo. Ano sa atin mo?
Happy birthday, Mama Mona. I miss you. Many more birthday ko to come. Stay healthy and ingat po palagi. I miss you, Ma.
Mama Mona, happy birthday. I love you and I miss you. Sobrang happy ako sa lahat ng ginagawa mo ngayon. Enjoy your life to the fullest. I love you.
Go. Happy birthday, Mana. Stay healthy and more birthdays to come. See you soon there. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Mana. Wishing you all the best, good health, and always be happy. Thank you sa lahat ng support you have given to us. We are blessed to have a sister like you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tita. We can't wait to see you this Christmas.
Happy birthday, Tita Mona. Wish you a wonderful day filled with love, laughter, and all the joy you bring to those around you.
Happy birthday!
Maligaligay Maligayang kaarawan sa iyo, Mana. God bless. God bless! Happy birthday.
Enjoy your day, Mana.
Enjoy your day, Mana.
Enjoy to the fullest. God bless you always.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Sister Mona. Enjoy your birthday in Canada. We miss you and we love you. Take care always. Enjoy your birthday.
Hello, Ma. Ayos ba? By the way, Ma, happy birthday. I wish you more birthday to come and happiness in your life. God bless and I love you, Ma. See you soon. Bye-bye.
Happiest birthday, Mama. I'm so sorry that I'm not able to celebrate with you in person, but I do have a few things to say. I just want to say that you're such an incredible person, mother, supporter. You have always had our backs growing up, and I am immensely grateful for every sacrifice that you have done. With that being said, I love you very much, and I want to keep this short as possible. I want to thank a lot of people today that is probably standing in that room and who has been arranging and making sure to make your day special. I want to shout out to Atelani, to Nanay, to Tatay, to Tita Mitch, to Tita Ami, to Tita Jeanette, and to anyone else who has made this day very special for her. I am immensely grateful. Well, I hope you guys enjoy.
Happy birthday, Mana. Happy birthday. Sana tagan ka pa mga damo pa nga adlaw, damo pa nga tuig, damo pa nga New Year, damo pa nga Pasko. Kay damo pa yan baga nagkukuha na yung baga naguhulap didi, hindi mo mga kaumang kunang. Sana na yung bakasyon kay susundoon di dataglupan. Wala man na ingat ka mo dida nga tanan baga pagupay na lang mo dida kay para paguli nga di gutay na lang nga radyo uro pa yun nalalati di. Okay, sana all magkaisa na.
Happy birthday, Tita Mona. God bless and more birthdays to come. We love you.